Right, this is trigonometry where you're dealing with an angle in a right angle triangle. They're asking me to find QR. So QR means the side there. So when I see trigonometry, because it's an angle, opposite the angle, you know or required, is called the opposite. Opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. And the third side is the adjacent. I tend to put circles around the things that got something next to it now. So I'm dealing with opposite and adjacent. So hey, you know what I mean? SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. Alright, so we're going to be using SOHCAHTOA. So you tick off the ones that got circles, opposite and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent, so it's TOA. So T stands for tan, so it's tan of the angle is the next letter's opposite, which is what I want to find, divided by the adjacent, which is 18. The opposite of divide by 18 is times 18, so it becomes 18 times tan 24. So on the calculator, make sure it's in degrees, because you're dealing with degrees unless you're A level. 18 times tan of 24 to one decimal place is either 8.0 to 8.1. So because of the 1, it stays as 8.0. So it's 8.0 centimeters. And that's how you do that question. The next two, I told you, because we hadn't quite covered this, okay? I told you to put that side down as, what do we say, 10, was it? So I told you to ignore the bottom triangle, and we'd work at this one with 10 centimeters. So when I'm working with that as 10, again, it's a right angle triangle because it's on a straight line, and that's 90, so the other one's got to be 90. So again, it's dealing with an angle, so it's SOHCAHTOA. Opposite the hypotenuse is the hypotenuse. Opposite the angle is the opposite. And the third side is the adjacent. I now do the same thing, SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. I tick off the ones I'm going to know. So I know the H, and I know the A. So because car has got 2 written down, I'm going to use car. So car means cos of the angle, cos of x, is A for adjacent over H for height. The adjacent is 10, so it becomes cos of x is 10 over 32. And what you've got to remember, whenever you find an x, the angle, you have to press shift cos. So it becomes shift cos 10 divided by 32. Some of you, so you can either do it in one go and do shift cos, because it's angle, 10 divided by 32, or, which is 71.8 degrees. Or you could have done it, just do the 10 divided by 32 first, and then do shift cos of the answer, and that'll also give you 71.2. And the last question, the foreign exchange. When we change from hours to years, we multiply by the exchange rate. When we change back, we divide. So Milan was 55,000 euros. So in pounds, that would be 55,000 divided by 1.25. Boston was 64,000. And in pounds, the exchange rate for Boston is 1.42. So I would work out one of them, and I want to know which one has got the highest salary. So 55,000 divided by 1.25. So that one comes up as £44,000. So this salary gives me 44,000. The other one, 64,000 divided by 1.42, gives me, I didn't press the point in that. So 64,000 divided by 1.42 gives me 45,000 and £70.42. So the highest salary would be Boston by £1,070.42. Alright, so that would be the highest salary. Check your answer. Alright, check you got that one right.